Thailand in the mountains in Pong village. So we're getting it. It's gonna be a pretty cool day. About to do some exploring, get some food. Started my day off with my M150. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you guys shortly.
Ham dinner. Now, beautiful for dinner.
It's okay. Still really nice, beautiful. Oh, those are temples, I think. Okay. Baby? Alright, this is where we're gonna eat. Stop to get some khao soi. Pretty little restaurant. Nice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got a bunch of restaurants around here. We got one up here. Over there. Say oh Oh wow. I'll give you a no coffee for me. I'm full right now. Khao soi, chicken wing. I'm full. Oh my god, wait, coconut ice cream. I'm getting that. Getting that when we come back. Oh my god, look, stir fry. Woo wee. Oh, duck. Pork. Pork. Oh, pig trotters, yep. Oh my god, it's all food. I'm gonna be 1,000,000 pounds here in Thailand. No smoking. Oh god, it's gonna be a tough one. Gotta find me a spot to smoke at. Good? Okay. No, I'm full, baby. You see me, you have to roll me up the street very soon. All food, baby. Everything food. Oh, sai ua.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, look at these spots up here. These are supposed to be some pretty good spots. Seen them on TikTok and on IG. Snacks, some more snacks. A lot of snacks up here. I hear waterfalls or something. Only woman?
Huh?
Woman. Got me some
360 baby.
local Thai shirts up here. And make a Pong.
XL.
Just packing them up for me right now.
XL.
Awesome. Yeah, cute little shop. Kapkun ka. Alright. Get me some shirts. Put some bat in the ladies' pockets. Hot? It is hot. I need to smoke. Where can I smoke?
Smoking.
Here?
No,
More gift shops, more food. Look at these guys, they're building stuff, being productive, unlike me. Alright. Getting exercise in today, it's all uphill. That's it. Alright. Is it like a hostel? No? I'm not sure. This is the walking street, Make a Pong walking street. So I just ran into a sign that told me to take a seat, so here it is. We're gonna burn one down, take a seat, and then continue on. See how much further we can get today. Pretty cool. Some locals just enjoying the swing. Local plants, I don't know what those are. We're going to continue up, more shops. Getting the exercise in today.
Oh my god, massage again tonight.
Massage again tonight.
Only massage you did.
Okay. What's up here?
I don't know. What happened? แม่คำปอง everywhere แม่คำปอง baby.
So we're looking for a restroom. Go pee pee. We go pee pee. Yes, pee pee. All right. Toilet. Baby, like ye thought. Ye thought.
Resort.
Yes. No, ye thought. Ye thought. Okay.
สุดทางเดิน
Restroom. This one?
small for seaweed.
Okay. This is a restroom in the mountains here. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to cut you off just for a second. Nice little walk here. Alright. So we are way up here in the mountains. It's hot. It's really hot, but May Kampun. This is what we're looking at here. Just nothing but the beautiful outdoors. Mountains and mountains stretch out here. Wow, look at that. You guys, that is beautiful. So we have reached the camping site. Not that we're going to be camping tonight, but wow. So this is the camping site right here. We're definitely going to have to do some out in the woods camping sometime. Chiang Mai, what a beautiful, beautiful place.
Let me follow, trapped inside, I can't fight anymore. Let me breathe. For once before, I'll be better alone. Let me go.
Slider, baby. Cool? Danger! Waterfall! Oh my God! Oh man, look at that landslide. Oh, here we are. Baby, come on. Oh, it's so cold. Hey, made it to a decent little waterfall here, as you guys can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Water's pretty cold. Way colder I would have ever guessed in Thailand. I didn't think they had water this cold, matter of fact. So check this out, it's beautiful. And it is cold. There goes the old lady. She don't want to walk no more. Love her. Bah! How many of you guys have actually been in the Thailand waterfall? Amazing cold water. Would have never guessed. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Got the aftermarket Crocs. Oh yeah.